a very well-known area here in La Jolla where firefighters responded at about 6:30 this morning to an explosion in an apartment unit. Now, we spoke to the man in that unit. He didn't want to be on camera, but he tells us it all started with a third-party e-bike lithium battery he purchased off of Amazon. And so often when it comes to third-party batteries purchased from elsewhere, it becomes a safety issue because you just don't know if those batteries are certified. A scary moment this morning for this apartment complex on La Jolla Boulevard near Pearl Street.
We found some lithium-ion batteries in a utility closet that had exploded, and it started the closet on fire.
Around 6:30 this morning, firefighters rushing to the scene of a lithium battery explosion, causing a fire inside an apartment complex.
It appears that sometimes there is more frequency to these types of events that are occurring. If you are charging batteries, it's a good thing to do is to monitor it, keep checking back on the battery banks that are being charged.
The resident who lives in the unit declining to speak on camera, but he says he believes a faulty e-bike battery he bought online is to blame.
These are all the external ones.
It's something local bicycle shops warn to stay away from.
Be careful what you buy, because third party definitely isn't safe, because there are two different types of lithium-ion batteries that they use for safety. If you're ordering off of Amazon or any third party, be very cautious, because you don't know where it's from or what type of battery it's from.
Cliff Grollo works at Bicycle Discovery.
Take it off your bike. It's just the safest way to charge your bicycle.
And tells us his shop has been selling more e-bikes than regular bikes.
Cargo bikes. You can get around town. You can carry your friend.
And says it's important to know what you can do if a battery explodes.
There's also special fire extinguishers that will put that out. Your normal fire extinguisher will not put out the electrical fire. It's quite different.
We also spoke to the Environmental Protection Agency about this, and they say when something like this happens, you just have to evacuate. You just don't know what toxic chemicals, possibly life-threatening chemicals, you could be exposing yourself to. Now, luckily, in the aftermath of all this, no injuries were reported.